Hi, my name is Dr. Adnan A, and I'm one of the course coordinators of Boston Structural Heart, a live virtual course by Harvard CME. Boston Structural Heart aims to cover both the very basics and very advanced cases of structural heart disease intervention and imaging. It is tailored for cardiac anesthesiologists and incoming cardiac anesthesia fellows. It is a live virtual event taking place from August 11th to August 13th. I'm here with some of my fellow course coordinators, and we are excited to show you a sneak peek of how we're delivering some of the high quality content for this course. Now follow me over to Beth Israel East Campus. Welcome to the Education Lab, housed in Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center East Campus. Over here, we're in the process of creating some really innovative adjuncts to our structural heart course using 3D printers. To tell you a little bit more, here's Yifan.
Hello, my name is Dr. Yifan Bu. I'm one of the course coordinators of Boston Structural Heart, and this is our East Campus Anesthesia Skills Lab. We usually train our residents and our faculties here, and we also got several 3D printers here. We'll be utilizing 3D printed techniques to demonstrate some concepts and topics that might be difficult to understand, such as mitral clip procedure and also transeptal puncture skills. We really hope you will enjoy this part of the course, and thank you, Adnan.
Thanks, Yifan. Follow me now to the Echo Lab, housed in Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center West Campus. Welcome to the Echo Lab, housed in Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center West Campus. Over here we have over a dozen high-quality simulators pertaining to structural heart disease. To tell you a little bit more about the advanced technology used in our structural heart course, here's Rayaan Yunus, one of our course coordinators.
Thanks, Adnan. Hi, my name is Rayaan Yunus. I'm one of the course coordinators here at the Boston Structural Heart course. As previously mentioned, the Boston Structural Heart course will cover the most basic to advanced aspects of structural heart disease imaging. As such, in conjunction with patient images and videos, the course faculty will utilize the state-of-the-art simulators we have here in the Echo Lab to teach difficult-to-explain concepts such as multiplanar reconstruction. In our videos, look out for the high-fidelity TTE and TEE simulators, one of which utilizes patient CT data, our mitral clip simulator, and our transeptal puncture simulator to create high-quality content. Thank you.
Thanks, Rayaan. Let me take you to the other side of the lab, where you can meet Dr. Taha Rehman, the man behind the curtain and one of our course coordinators.
Hello everyone, my name is Taha Rehman. I'm one of the course coordinators for the Boston Structural Heart course. Thank you, Adnan, for showing this part of the lab. So this is our state-of-the-art recording studio, which we have been using from this platform for the past many years to generate some really high-quality content for various structural heart courses. This time around again, we are using cutting-edge studio technology and recording software to generate some exceptional content for the Boston Structural Heart course. And the way the entire team is working tirelessly to meet the expectation of the audience, I'm very hopeful that this course is going to be a huge success. So we all look forward to welcoming you in August. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy, and we'll
See you in August.